Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the trigger on your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. This process may seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it at home. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. These will help you detach the old trigger and install the new one seamlessly. Before you begin, make sure your vacuum is unplugged and the battery is removed. Safety first. Start by inspecting the area around the trigger to ensure it's clean and free of debris. This will make the process smoother. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and locate the screws securing the trigger assembly. There are typically 2 screws on the back of the trigger. Carefully remove these screws and keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the trigger away from the body of the vacuum. You might need to use a flathead screwdriver to help pry it loose. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. With the old trigger removed, it's a good idea to clean the area where the trigger was located. Use a brush or a cloth to remove any dust and dirt. This step is essential for maintaining the performance of your vacuum cleaner. Now, take your new trigger and align it with the housing. Gently push it into place until you hear a click, indicating that it's secured. After that, take your Phillips screwdriver and replace the screws. Tighten them gently but ensure they are secure to prevent any future issues. Once the screws are in place, reattach the battery and plug in your vacuum. Test the new trigger to make sure it functions correctly. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Dyson V10 trigger. If you find yourself in need of assistance or don't have the right tools for the job, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you diagnose any issues your vacuum might have. Additionally, if you need further help, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to worry about transportation. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your doorstep. Finally, always ensure that regular maintenance is performed on your Dyson V10 to prolong its lifespan and efficiency. If you require further repairs or quotes before repair, reach out to us. We are here to help you keep your vacuum in top condition. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.